just woke up, welcome again. I hope you are enjoying these videos. Here today I have another two very exciting creations that you absolutely gonna love. Again, it's all about interacting cakes. Cakes that you can not only eat, but you can play with. Imagine the photos that your guests or your friends and family can take. On this video, we are going to learn how to make this amazing hair dryer or blow dryer. Now, imagine it's a very simple creation, all right? And all you have to imagine it looks beautiful on the board already. But imagine if your guest or the birthday girl can pick it up with her hands. Just imagine the thought. It's a lot of fun. Can you imagine it? And another one. Who doesn't have a friend that loves cooking, loves baking? And you can create this amazing kitchen mixer that you can also pick it up. Look at that. What a great idea. Imagine the photos that you can take. And the instructor is super easy to make, fun to make. And we're gonna go to this journey together and learn how to do these two amazing cakes. Thank you so much. Don't forget to put your thumbs up and keep following. I got my template. I want a 80s style hair dryer, so I trace on my wood and then I cut it. Of course, I have to think about the position I want. So I want my cake to be like that on the table, so birthday girl can pick it up the hair dryer with her hands like that and play. So this is the main position I'm gonna need. So what I need in here is put a little bit of styrofoam at the bottom in here to keep the cake on the upright position.
all you and me. We'll kiss the sky goodnight. Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. I know where we can go, where the sunrise lasts forever, and it's all you and me. We'll kiss the sky goodnight. Come get lost with me.
If you have a clever husband in home or you know electrician, then he can buy one of these little fans, you know, these little fans that sell in the chip shop, $2 shop. Take the little motor out and then we can install on a kitchen mixer. Of course, you probably will not be able to have cake on the front because you're gonna have a motor and all these little things, but you would have to make the hole all the way through. So your whisker will touch the motor. Okay, so the idea is very simple. I'm going to poke the skewer through the hole there where the motor is. Then we're gonna get a little battery or a big battery. I tried the big battery, but it was too powerful. So if you try just the little battery, it doesn't work. I love it when this is happening. We'll connect to the battery. It doesn't work. Again. Yeah, sorry. My husband is a carpenter and he just say he's not that good. So, but imagine the possibilities, right? That you could, for instance, found a very clever husband. Or a friend, or a neighbor, or somebody that can do this for you and hook everything for you. I'm just a cake decorator. I put an extra piece there so it matches with the hole, little bit of glue on the machine. So I'm trying, he's saying that I have to make sure that the motor is on the center there, as you can see, so you're poking little bit. So then your clever husband can switch this, connect to the battery there, connect to everything, and if he very clever, he can even put a switch for you and connect to the switch somehow. Alright, tape number 55. You electrician, it is important that our motor connects right there on that little thing, because then what we would do is connect to both and it starts turning, you see? And it's turning. Oh my god! It's working. Imagine that how cool it would be if your mixer works. After you finish the cake, of course, you would put a drop of hot glue. Oh look, working! It's working! Would it be good if you have a little switch on the top? And these things that you get from the shop, they come already with the little switch that makes the things work, but I do not understand how this works, so I'm not even gonna try. But it would be basically, that is the idea, how you would make your kitchen mix work.